Yeah, in our last video, we showed you how to install your bulk image sender using mailwizz. So if you have not watched the video or you are planning to build your bulk image sender, you can click the link under this video to watch how to install your mailwizz on your own VPS hosting server. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to connect your own SMTP server to your mailwizz. Maybe you have already built your own mailwizz and you are looking for how to connect your own SMTP server, because without your SMTP server, all the emails you send is not going to deliver. So you have to connect your own SMTP server, because that's what is going to deliver your emails to your recipient. So if you don't have an SMTP server and you are looking for how to build your own custom SMTP server to send your own bulk emails, you can chat us on our WhatsApp to build you a custom SMTP server to send unlimited emails. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to connect your own SMTP server to your mailwizz to start using it to send bulk emails without any restriction. So if this is your first time watching our video, please click on the subscribe button, like and comment. So let's get started. When you have successfully set up your mailwizz script, this is how your dashboard, your backend is going to look like, and this is how your front end is going to look like. So it has backend, it has front end. So after it's successfully set up, we are going to come to this option, delivery server. So this way you're going to connect your SMTP server to. Then I'm going to create a new a new server. So you can connect a lot of SMTP to it. You can connect a Megan SMTP, Sangro SMTP, Poster Web SMTP, Amazon SES. You can connect Spark Post Web SMTP. You can connect your own custom SMTP. You can connect Sandy Blue SMTP. You can also connect Gym SMTP to it. You can connect PowerMTA SMTP, which I'm going to show you here. So the SMTP I'm going to connect to it is PowerMTA SMTP. Just click on SMTP poster. So this is PowerMTA SMTP I just built for a client. So just set it up for a particular client that I want to be using to send bulk email. So I'm just using it for a demo. So I'm going to test the SMTP here. So this is the credential is going to look like. So you're going to enter all the details here. Host name, your name first, host name, enter your host name. Every detail is going to be sent to you. A username, it's going to ask you your password. Email from, to call. Just leave it SMTP. This PowerMTA SMTP does not have protocol, is not. So your port just 2525. From name, just choose the name you want it to deliver. So if you add daily codes, monthly codes, you can just choose it. So you can just put your bouncing server. So this way is going to send you image that bounce back. So that's going to show you this image is not good for sending. So we have not connected together. So I'm going to show you how to connect it also. Let's check everything is okay. So you're going to enter email. Look for one email here. So it's going to send you. So they're going to send you a verification email. So this is the verification email here. So the best place, I'm going to copy it. So this is not the tab I'm using, so I'm just going to paste it here. So active. So your SMTP now is active. You can start using it to send your bulk email. So that's how you can connect your SMTP or post POWERMTA SMTP to your mailwizz bulk email sender. So after you've connected to it, you can start using it to send your bulk emails to your clients, to your customer. Then you're going to, after that, you're going to go to your front end. So sorry, let's connect our bank server. It's very necessary. So just click on create new. So I'm going to go to my hosting, go to file manager. So edit users. Then your password. Great. Just bounce your host name, copy your host name, your username, so if everything is okay, it's going to go successfully. Save changes. So everything has gone successfully. So you are going to connect the bar server to our delivery server. So I'm going to go back, update, choose bands, choose and save changes. So we're going to enter our email again. Let me copy the email address. Sending it to the Gmail to make sure the SMTP. That's one of the reasons that the SMTP also delivered to Gmail. That's one of the benefit of using POWERMTA SMTP. It can deliver to any email address. Validate server. So I'm going to wait for it. So that's already been sent again. So just copy, paste it. So everything is now active now. So everything is now active now. You can start using it to send your bulk email. So just go to your front end, create your list, demo. So let's click this. You can just go to your settings to save this to avoid entry or this one manually every time you want to create a list. Just come to your country, choose your country, your name, address. Let's save changes. Then go back to create your list. So you're going to receive this error. So to error 500. So for you to receive this error, you're going to go to the directory enable this feature. So you're going to go to your file manager. Go to your file manager. You're going to publicly test. Go to app. More. Set 077. Just change. So let's go back. So let's try refresh it. It's done. Everything is done. So everything is done. Then you can start uploading your email list. Just go to your import. Then upload your file by CSV file upload. Then upload your file. After you've uploaded it, then you can start using it to come to your campaign. Create a new campaign. Then enter your message. Then start using to send your bulk emails. And that's how you can connect your SMTP server to your mailwizz, and how you can start using to send your bulk email. So thank you for watching this amazing video. So if you want us to set up your mailwizz, maybe you want to start using to send your bulk emails, or you need email verifier software to verify your email address, because if you are sending to junks emails, is going to affect your SMTP server. So you can contact us on our WhatsApp, and if you want us to help you to build your own custom POWERMTA SMTP server to send bulk emails, you can also chat us on our WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube video. Thank you. We'll see you again.